Hey guys, I'm Thomas with werdemusiker.com. Glad to see you here and welcome to this piano tutorial. Faded by Alan Walker and River Flows in You mashup. Yes, I created a mashup, so I played both songs, mixed them together. You can see how I play it. I'll link this in the description below. And I'm going to show you exactly you can watch on my fingers and say exactly what I'm playing. And in the following videos in the series, I'm going to show you exactly how you can play a mashup like this as well. But very important, when you're a beginner at the piano, or if you're new to my channel, I highly recommend that you check out my free piano lessons for beginner. This is a very important basic knowledge and a very great start to the world of playing the piano. Many of my subscribers are already there, and I'm looking forward to see you there as well. I recommend that you go to my website now, grab the lessons, and then come back to this video, and then I'm going to show you what you will learn here. I have actually two videos, two piano tutorials. The one is where I started with Faded, and the other one is where I started with River Flows in You. But let's have a look. Enjoy the piano lessons and enjoy this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed this mashup. If you don't like this one, check also out my other one. I have another version where I start with the other song first. I link this in the description. I also link the whole playlist with all videos to this piano tutorial. And of course you can go on with the next part and then we go through the whole mashup step by step. Enjoy.